Good day everyone, we are the BSCS 4A students. And today we present our project entitled the Interactive Quiz System or IQ System. This project was developed under the guidance of our instructor, Mr. Engineer Christian Vin Partosa.
The IQ system is a simple, user-friendly platform designed for creating and answering quizzes. Before developing this system, one of the problems we observed was the most quiz platforms require internet access or are too complicated for basic classroom assessment. Our goal was to create an offline quiz system that is easy for instructors to manage, simple for students to use, and reliable even without internet. The entire system runs on PHP and MySQL using XAMPP, so it works smoothly offline. For future development, researchers can expand the system by adding online access, analytics, or additional features to make it even more versatile and user-friendly.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Pawa.
Hi, my name is Janbert Elianas.
Hi, my name is Mika Bilahaba. Hi, I'm Hanima Bidaud.
Hi, my name is Justado Bibilarin Jr.
Hi, my name is Hanif Jama.
Hi, my name is Rohana Bayam.
Hi, my name is Chavaika Mendoza.
Our system provides two user roles, instructor and student. Instructor can create quizzes, add questions, and view student scores, while student can take quizzes and instantly view the results. So, we focus on making the interface clean and the process straightforward for both users.
How it was made. To build the IQ system, we use HTML, CSS for interface, PHP for backend logic, while MySQL for storing quizzes and users. During the demo, we will show some control panel starting Apache and MySQL. PHP MyAdmin viewing the pre-made database and tables, while VS Code showing the file structure and PHP files titles, not the code itself. This setup allows the system to work offline smoothly and efficiently.
This is the instructor login page. The instructor simply enters their username and password to access the dashboard. Once logged in, they are greeted with a welcome message. After logging in, the instructor can create a new quiz by clicking the Create Quiz button. For example, they can name the quiz Quiz 2 and add a description such as test case topic to clarify its content. Once the quiz is created, it automatically appears in the list of quizzes on the dashboard. From there, the instructor can navigate to the View Quizzes section. Here, for each quiz, they see option to add question, view questions, or delete the quiz if necessary. This flow ensures that creating quizzes is straightforward and organized. Next, the instructor can add questions to the selected quiz by clicking Add Question. Each question includes a text field for the question itself. For options labeled A, B, C, and D in a drop-down or selection for the correct answer. After entering all the details, the question is automatically saved to the database. The instructor can continue adding as many questions as needed. For demonstration purposes, let's create at least 3 questions for quiz 2 so that students have a meaningful quiz to take. The instructor can continue adding as many questions as needed. Additionally, they can click View Questions to see a full list of questions for that quiz, allowing them to check, edit, or delete questions if necessary. These features ensures that all quiz content is easily manageable and organized. The system also allows instructor to view student participation in scores. By navigating to View Score or Results section, the instructor can see which students have taken a particular quiz and which ones have not. For those completed the quiz, the system displays their scores automatically calculated based on the correct answers submitted. These features helps instructors monitor both performance and participation, identify students who may need guidance, and provide targeted feedback. Once done, the instructor can return to the dashboard to continue creating quizzes, adding questions, or check other quizzes. This makes the system efficient and user-friendly for instructors.
For the student side, they simply log in using their account credentials. This grants access to the dashboard where all available quizzes are displayed. Students select a quiz they want to take and answers all the questions. Initially, there was an issue with the background color for quizzes. The active quiz button did not stand out clearly and could be confusing. This was identified during testing and will be improved in a later update by Mendoza. After answering all questions, students submit their answers. Currently, the background color of the quiz page and the options is plain and could be confusing for students. This will be updated later to make the active quiz more visually clear. Additionally, a back to dashboard button has been added so students can easily return to their dashboard after completing or reviewing a quiz. This update will improve navigation and overall usability.
Test cases are crucial in software development and quality assurance. It ensures functionality, identifies defects, improves quality, reduces risk, and enhances user experience. For the testing phase, we use a standard test case format to make sure every feature of the IQ system or interactive quiz system was working properly. You can see the structure we followed. It includes 7 important parts. We have the test case ID, case description, steps, data, expected results, actual results, and pass-fail. During our demonstration, you'll notice that the actual results and pass-fail columns are intentionally left blank. This is because these sections are meant to be filled out by the evaluator during the hands-on testing. They will try each function themselves and record whether the systems behave as expected. We'll show the completed version of the test case, the one with all the results filled in, so you can see the full evaluations and how each features perform. This help proves that the system was truly tested both by us and by the real evaluators. Test case ID TSO1, it checks instructor login with valid credentials. In TSO2, checks student login with valid credentials. In TSO3, verify login with invalid credentials. We use the test data in the 4th column and the test steps for the evaluators. As you can see in the actual results and pass-fail, it was as expected and pass. Next is the TSO4, check instructor creates a quiz, and TSO5 check students takes a quiz. We have the title Quiz 1, what does HTML stands for, and add choices and the correct answer. We have the test steps on the 3rd column. For TSO6, verify instructor can view student score. And lastly, TSO7, verify logout function. We have the NA for the test data, and we have the test steps which is log in as instructor, go to view score page for TS06 and log in the system and click log out, whether for students and instructor in the TS07.
To ensure our IQ system works correctly, we created standard test cases covering key features, login, quiz creation, adding questions, scoring, and student quiz taking. Once we complete our internal testing, we invited real students to evaluate the system. Before starting, each participant was given a data privacy consent form. Instead of showing all the detailed test cables, we'll share at least 5 fun snapshots of us during the evaluation process. This picture captures students log in, taking quizzes, checking their scores, and providing feedback. Their observations confirm that the system is simple, clean, and easy to use for both instructors and students. This evaluation helped us refine the interface, making the system not only functional but also user-friendly and enjoyable to use.
Originally, the system was plain, simple buttons and minimal styling. So after the evaluation, we improved it. We highlight the active quiz on the student dashboard with a colored button that changes when clicked, or what we call the hover effect. Updating the Take Quiz page with consistent button and background colors. Also adding a back to dashboard button for easy navigation. So these updates made the system clearer, easier to use, and visually appealing.
Technical overview. The system uses HTML, CSS, PHP, and MySQL.
It runs locally in SUMP and stores all quiz data securely in the database. It's simple, lightweight, and efficient for classroom use.
Before running the IQ system, the very first thing we need is SUMP. This is our local server that powers the whole project offline. So the first step is simple. Open SUMP and start Apache and MySQL. Once both lights turn green, our system is officially alive and ready to go. Next, we open phpMyAdmin, which is where our database lives. Here, we'll show the database used in our system, named QuizDB. Inside it, you'll see all the important tables the system relies on.
And this is the final look of our system, the interactive quiz system or IQ system.